After eating all eatable, you ate everything last night. You ate all the eatable in the night. You ate last night. You ate this morning. You ate day before yesterday. You eat this morning. Then you have to exercise, because exercises your body. When you do exercise, it burns calories, it burns fats, it burns all burnable. Yeah, so that is it. I am always exercising. That is why you still see me keeping fit. Look at my stomach. Before, I used to have a pot belly, but I have exercised, and I'm still exercising. That is the reason I want to bring it to your notice that exercise is very good. So early morning like this, after your breakfast, you just start your Do you know how many cubes of sugar that I'm burning out now? Cubes of sugar. This is called bedside exercise. Listen, some people go to gym, they carry tire. Some go to gym, they carry iron. This one alone is as heavy as those things people carry. You don't know. If you know, you know. Yes.
Oh, no.
Press up. Press up. I go to Nigerian. I Hey, my gymming partner. This is my gym instructor. You give me food and fat. Fat, China, how do you come down? I was shit.
I think you get that. Oh, we are going to go. Oh, we yeah.
It's all up my gym. As people used to rise in gym, I have risen. But this one now, family rising. If you don't rise in your family, you cannot rise again. In the family, you rise up and praise the Lord. So I've risen. You see me swearing. Adam, come here, everybody. Join. Okay, Yahoo. Okay, come. The bomb will be there. What are you saying? I don't want what? More grace. All this more grace. More Louisa. My uncle. Hey. Come on, join me. You have taken your bait. Need to make it as a one house before you follow me. Come out. Thank you. Meet you in the next gymnasium.